Hello and welcome to the summer edition of CNG 132, which is Networking Fundamentals. I am your instructor, George Lemos, and this will be our landing page for our site every day. Every day you log in, you'll come to this page first. For announcements, I do put pertinent information up front. This video will actually push this welcome down. And then you'll see this video here on top. Let's see. I've been doing this class for, almost 7 years now. I did start in face-to-face on campus. Moved to purely online last summer. Yeah, last summer moved to online. And this is where, let's see, I designed this course to be used in face-to-face and online. So you're getting the same course as you would if you're sitting in the classroom type setting. The class does not change too much, going from a 15 credit or 15 week to a 10 week course, but it does seem a little bit more concentrated since we're trying to squeeze the same content in over a 10-week period. Your book is included in the course. So first thing I need you to do is definitely click this Getting Started area, and that'll take you to the first content item, which is the MindTap videos. Now these videos are short little videos that I need you to watch, and this is preparing to go through the course right here. This is our course. It's hosted in a third-party application, which is CNG MindTap. So we'll go out here for all of our work, our reading, etc. The link should take you right to where I want you to be. And in case they do not, make sure you can verify by going to the content, course materials, then content. And we can go down to week 1. And we can kind of see an older video here from last summer. I leave those videos in here just in case something happens to me. You still have an idea of what to do. I don't know, say my internet goes out for a Monday or something. The old videos are still in here so you can kind of have an idea of what to do. And then I will replace those videos basically every first day of the week, which is usually Monday, but today it's Tuesday. This week it's Tuesday. Next week it'll be Monday, would be their first day of the week. And then let me get back to that. So we're kind of looking at, we're going to be looking at Unit 1 and Unit 2. So if I go back to the CNG, I can navigate either through going down here and clicking Unit 1, or I can go over to the blue book option on the right hand side of the screen, expand it using this button here, click on the menu table of contents TOC in the left corner, and I can go down to chapter 1. But that, of course, is after you work your way through the first getting started content. MindTap User Guide. Once again, these videos are going to be very, very short. They're just preparing you for the course. This week we cover 2 topics. Let's see. I'll post another introduction there. We have a syllabus for 2020 here, and there should be, oh, I don't see that. There should be a syllabus agreement. Yeah, so that should be linked there. There should be a syllabus agreement that you just say, yeah, I agree to the syllabus, and basically that's me taking roll for the class, because there is a drop date. There is a drop date that is a week from now for non-participation, non-attendance, and of course jumping in and doing the syllabus agreement. That's kind of me taking roll for you and saying, okay, this person was here. If not, I usually call people Monday and verify if they plan to keep the course, but of course that puts them a week behind. Great. I'll close this video here, and then I'll jump into a more introduction video in the getting started menu.